Hello friends, welcome to KSA's Datapedia blog presents KSA's travel blog. In this video, we are going to see the southernmost point of India. We have already learnt about the introduction, area, location of India and the northernmost, westernmost, easternmost point of India. And this is the time to know about the southernmost point of India. And if you have any doubts on the previous videos I have uploaded, please ask in the comment box. As soon as possible I will comment. So I think I am going very fast in all the things. If you have any queries on my way of teaching, you can tell in the comment box. Okay, the southernmost point of India. Okay, the southernmost point of India in the mainland of India is Kanyakumari. Wow, Kanyakumari is there in Tamil Nadu. Okay, Tamil Nadu. It is located in Tamil Nadu. Okay, in the district of Kanyakumari, there is a town called Cap Camorian. Cap Camorian, that is otherwise known as the Land's End. Okay, Land's End. What a nickname! What a sobriquet! Wow, Land's End. In the mainland only, it is the southernmost tip. Okay, why they tell the Land's End here means many of them will tell that Kashmir to Kanyakumari, all the things are there in here, like that they will tell Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Okay, like this, many of them will indicate some things about India. I mean, north to south frontiers. All the things are there, like that they will tell. But we should also conclude some union territories of India, because that is also our neighbors. Okay, so the Land's End they have mentioned for Cap Camorian. A trick to remember about the Cap Camorian, there is a only nickname called the Land's End. Okay, Land's End in the mainland only. Okay, why they tell the land southernmost tip in the mainland is the keyword of this Cap Camorian. So now we shall discuss why does Kanyakumari is also called as Cap Camorian or Land's End. Okay, Cap means the land which inflated into the sea, and Camorian is the former name of the area. Oh, this type of fact I also didn't learn about the meaning of Camorian. Cap means the land inflated. I mean, after this Cap Camorian, the land is full of sea. Okay. Oh, so they mention Cap means inflated into the sea. Okay, Camorian is the former name of the area, so they indicates the Kanyakumari as Cap Camorian. Okay, this is a interesting fact. During the regime of the British, they used the term Cap to mention the identical landmark of Camorian to their traders and the sailors. Cap Camorian, the tip of the Kumari village. Okay, wow, this second fact is so interesting. During the regime meaning I will mention in the comment box, so use that and learnt about the regime meaning. They used the term Cap to mention the identical landmark. We have already learnt about the west easternmost point landmarks like Sir Creek and also Lohit River. Wow, what a landmarks! Yeah, they used the term cap to mention the Camorian region. Okay, for sailing and for trading purpose. Okay, it is 705 kilometers from state capital. Okay, state capital Chennai. Okay, that is rocky mainland on the Indian Ocean in the state of Tamil Nadu and located at the southernmost tip of the Indian subcontinent. Many call it Kudal meaning, Kudal meaning it is situated on the confluence of 3 oceans. Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean. Wow, this also an interesting fact about Kamarian or Kanyakumari or Tamil Nadu. Okay, it is 705 km of state capital Chennai. Okay, I think the distance from the Chennai to Kanyakumari, there is a, if I would like to annotate this thing. To Kanyakumari, I'm sorry, like this I think so. Kanyakumari to Chennai, okay, Kanyakumari to Chennai, there is a distance of 705 kilometer. Okay, 705 kilometer state capital. Okay, distance from Chennai to Kanyakumari is 705 kilometer, that they told. That is a rocky mainland. Okay, Indian Ocean is the state of Tamil Nadu, in the state of Tamil Nadu, and located at the southernmost tip of the Indian subcontinent. Wow, so it is the mainland. Southernmost tip is Tamil Nadu. Okay, Tamil Nadu, Kanyakumari. Okay, most tip of the Indian southernmost tip. Okay, many called it as Kudal meaning it is situated on the confluence of 3 oceans. Kudal. Okay, Kudal, Arabian Sea, this one. Okay, this one. Such things I have to annotate, that is so important. Arabian Sea is a Kudal for Tamil Nadu, one of the Kudal. Okay, and one is Bay of Bengal. Sorry, Bay of Bengal. Okay, Bay of Bengal. Sorry, and the Indian Ocean. Okay, Indian Ocean, this also important, I have to annotate. Indian Ocean. Okay, so this makes the area Kudal. They called as Kudal, Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, and the Indian Ocean. Kanyakumari is popular because it is the only place on earth where you can see the sunrises and the sunset from the ocean. What identical landmark for this area. Wow. Because I will tell the full detail about this fact. Okay, it is the only place in India where one can enjoy the unique spectacle of sunset and the moon rise simultaneously on full moon days. It is even more special and spectacular on Chitra Paurnami. Okay, Chitra Paurnami, full moon that occurs in April to May, when one can view both the sun and the moon facing each other. Okay, each other. Sun and the moon facing each other on the same horizon. A rare sight of unique grandeur which seem to happen to prior arrangements. This is an interesting fact about Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari is popular because you can see the sunrise. I will show you the picture of this thing. It is the only place you can enjoy the spectacular Sundays and moonrise. You can see all the things in the Chitra Paurnami, the full moon day that occurs in April to May. Full moon days known as Chitra Paurnami, full moon day. Okay, this is the Cape Comorin image. Kanyakumari, Gulf of Mannar. I will teach all the things. Okay, Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu. In this way, it is the southernmost tip in the mainland. Okay, the image I attached is not there. If I want to teach you, you can ask in the comment box. I will attach in the description itself. I can edit that. So thank you for watching my video. If you have any doubts on this, I will tell you in the comment itself. So we will also see the southernmost tip point of overall India in the coming soon videos. Take care. Bye. Thank you for watching my video.